Now go ahead and open your Chrome browser and then type in Bamboo app. Now, if you are using an Android phone, there is a version for you. And of course, if you are using an Apple phone, there is also a version for you. So that's it right there, Bamboo app. So like I said, scroll down to the particular one that actually aligns with your phone type. As you can see, Bamboo app, Google Play. All right, this is play.google.com. And then the next one we have apps.apple.com. So I'm using an Android phone right now. So I'm just going to click on the one that takes me to Google Play. Now, I already have this app in my phone. Okay, for you, you are going to see install app. But for me, I'm just going to click open. All right. So ensure to install the app. And then after that, you can open it. Then here we have create account, then sign in. Since you are a first-time user, then you just go ahead and click on create account. Now, search for your country. All right, the particular country that you are from, whether Nigeria, whether Ghana, South Africa. Okay, and then you select your country. Next, ensure you enter your personal details. You won't be able to change this once you submit. All right, so it is very important that you enter the correct personal detail. In fact, ensure to enter your name as it is written on your valid national ID card or your bank account, because it has to tally. All right, so go ahead, enter your first name, your last name, select your gender, your date of birth, of course, your citizenship, which is your country. You already selected that. Then you go ahead and then enter your phone number. And of course, enter your correct email address. And then enter a very strong password. Now, the password must have one small letter, one capital letter, one number, one special character. And in total, there should be about eight characters, a minimum of 8 characters. So ensure to fill in your details carefully. Then lastly, enter the referral code LUCKY188732. Okay, so make sure it's correct. LUCKY188732. Okay, then check the acknowledgement box by the side to the terms and conditions, then click on continue. Then the next thing you are going to do is to enter the characters that are written in black. They are trying to confirm that you are not a robot, you are a human being. So the characters you have in black, 952 TNG, depending on the one that they display before you. So enter the characters in black. After that, click on next. Now, a verification code has been sent to your registered phone number, the phone number you entered in the previous page. So get that verification code and enter it into the appropriate place within 60 seconds. Within 60 seconds. Go ahead and then click next. Now you are going to create a 4-digit PIN that you will always use for your transaction. All right. So make sure you enter something not easy to guess. All right. But something you can easily remember. Then repeat the PIN again. Welcome to Bamboo. So you are ready to start completing your KYC and then to delve into the app properly. So here you are going to enter your BVN. Of course, it is safe, so go ahead and enter your BVN. Then click on next. The next thing you need to do is to enter your bank details, your bank name and your bank account number, then click on submit. Next, complete your investment profile. All you need to do is just answer the questions that are highlighted before you. Employment, marital status, investment goal, your experience with investment and all of that. Once you complete this investment profile section, click on next. And here it says select all that apply to you or your immediate family. Now, if you are affiliated to any of the organizations stated here, simply click on it. Okay, but if you are not, then click on none of the above. Now your Bamboo account is ready. The next thing you are going to do is to make deposit into your account.